Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to embed a YouTube video onto your Cardco website. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you're trying to upload a video onto your Cardco website. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is go into your Cardco website. Next, click on this element button that says add an element, and then go ahead and click on video. Now, once you click on video, click on the video element like this one right over here. And then this is where you could actually go ahead and copy and paste your YouTube video. So all you've got to do is grab the YouTube video URL, and then it'll embed that YouTube video onto your Cardco website. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and embed a YouTube video onto your Cardco website. If you guys know of a better, easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.